Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Learning English. My name is Alex and I am very happy to be your English teacher today. Thank you for joining me for this exciting English lesson. If you are a beginner and want to learn English fast, then you are in the right place. Today, I will help you improve your English through simple daily practice. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It is about practicing every day and becoming a little better than yesterday. So relax, listen carefully, repeat after me when possible, and enjoy the lesson. By the end of this video, you will learn useful English sentences, improve your confidence, and understand how daily practice can help you speak English more naturally. Many English learners believe that learning English is difficult. They think they need to memorize thousands of words or study grammar for many hours every day. The truth is much simpler. You can improve your English step by step with consistent practice. Just 10 or 15 minutes of English every day can make a big difference. The key is not studying for a long time. The key is studying regularly. Imagine learning English like exercising your body. If you exercise once a month, you will not see much improvement. But if you exercise every day, even for a short time, your body becomes stronger. English works the same way. Daily practice makes your English stronger. Let's start with something simple. When you meet someone, you need to greet them. Greetings are an important part of communication. For example, you can say, "Hello, how are you?" You can also say, "Good morning," "Good afternoon," or "Good evening." If someone asks, "How are you?" you can answer, "I am fine, thank you. How are you?" These simple expressions are used every day by English speakers around the world. Practice these greetings often. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. Speaking English starts with small conversations, and greetings are the first step. Now let's talk about introducing yourself. Introducing yourself is one of the most important skills for beginners. Imagine you meet someone for the first time. You can say, "Hello, my name is Alex. I am from Bangladesh. I enjoy learning English. Nice to meet you." This introduction is simple, but it helps people know who you are. You can change the information to match your own life. For example, say your name, your country, your job, or your hobbies. The more you practice introducing yourself, the more confident you will feel when speaking English with new people. Another useful topic is your daily routine. Everyone has a daily routine, so it is a great topic for English practice. You can describe your day using simple sentences. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I eat breakfast and go to work. In the evening, I study English and spend time with my family. At night, I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Talking about your daily routine helps. You practice common verbs and everyday vocabulary. Try describing your own day in English. Speak slowly and clearly. It does not matter if you make mistakes. The important thing is to keep speaking. One of the biggest challenges for beginners is confidence. Many learners know some English, but they are afraid to speak. They worry about making mistakes or saying something incorrectly. If this sounds like you, I want you to remember something important. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Nobody starts speaking perfect English. Making mistakes is a normal part of learning. In fact, mistakes help you improve. When you make a mistake, you learn something new. So do not be afraid. Speak English whenever you have the opportunity. The more you speak, the better you become. Vocabulary is another important part of learning English. You do not need to learn hundreds of words every day. Instead, learn a few useful words and practice them regularly. For example, learn words related to your daily life. Words like family, house, school, friend, food, water, book, phone, work, and teacher are very useful. When you learn a new word, try to use it in a sentence. If you learn the word book, you can say, "I am reading a book." If you learn the word friend, you can say, "My friend is very kind." Creating sentences helps you remember vocabulary more effectively. Listening is also an essential skill. To improve your English quickly, listen to English every day. You can listen to English lessons, podcasts, conversations, or videos. At first, you may not understand everything. That is completely normal. Focus on understanding key words and ideas. As you continue listening, your brain will become more familiar with English sounds and pronunciation. Listening regularly improves your understanding and helps you speak more naturally. Pronunciation is another area that many learners worry about. Some students think they need a perfect accent. The truth is that clear communication is more important than having a perfect accent. Focus on speaking clearly and correctly. Listen to native speakers and repeat what they say. Pay attention to how words are pronounced. Practice difficult words slowly. Over time, your pronunciation will improve naturally through listening and speaking. Reading is another excellent way to improve your English. Reading helps you learn vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure. Start with simple materials such as short stories, beginner articles, or children's books. As your English improves, you can read more advanced content. When you find a new word, try to understand it from the context. If necessary, use a dictionary. Reading every day, even for a few minutes, can significantly improve your English skills. Writing is also important. Many learners focus only on speaking and listening, but writing helps you organize your thoughts in English. Start with simple sentences. Write about your day, your family, your hobbies, or your goals. For example, write a short paragraph about yourself. The more you write, the easier it becomes to express your ideas in English. Writing also helps you remember vocabulary and grammar. Let's talk about some useful daily expressions. English speakers use many common phrases every day. For example, thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me, I'm sorry. No problem, and have a nice day. These expressions are simple but extremely useful. Using them regularly will make your English sound more natural and polite. Try using these expressions in your daily conversations. Now I want to share a simple English learning routine that beginners can follow every day. First, spend 5 minutes learning new vocabulary. Second, spend 5 minutes reading a short English text. Third, spend 5 minutes listening to English audio. Fourth, spend 5 minutes speaking English out loud. Finally, spend a few minutes writing simple sentences. This routine may seem small, but if you do it every day, you will see amazing improvement over time. Another important tip is to think in English. Many learners translate everything from their native language into English. This slows down communication. Instead, try thinking directly in English. For example, when you see a chair, think, "This is a chair." When you drink water, think, "I am drinking water." This simple habit trains your brain to use English naturally and helps you speak more quickly. Consistency is the secret to success. Many students study English enthusiastically for a few days and then stop. Learning a language is a long journey. You do not need to be perfect today. You only need to keep moving forward. Even if you learn one new word each day, that is progress. Small improvements add up over time. Stay patient and keep practicing. Let's practice a short paragraph together. Listen carefully. My name is Alex. I live in a beautiful city. Every morning I wake up early and exercise. After breakfast, I go to work. In the evening, I study English because I want to improve my communication skills. I enjoy learning new words and practicing conversations. My goal is to speak English fluently in the future. This paragraph contains simple vocabulary and useful sentence structures. Practice reading it several times until you feel comfortable. Remember that English is a skill, and every skill improves through practice. Think about riding a bicycle. At first, it may feel difficult. You may lose balance or make mistakes, but with practice, riding becomes easy. Speaking English works the same way. The more you practice, the more confident and comfortable you become. As we come to the end of today's lesson, I want to encourage you to continue learning. Do not compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different pace. Focus on your own progress. Celebrate small victories. Maybe today you learned 5 new words. Maybe today you spoke English for 5 minutes. Those achievements matter. Every step brings you closer to your goal. Thank you so much for joining me today on Mr. Learning English. I hope this lesson has inspired you to practice English every day. Remember, daily practice is the fastest way to improve. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep reading, and keep learning. Most importantly, believe in yourself. You can learn English. You can speak confidently. You can achieve your goals. My name is Alex, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Until then, take care, stay positive, keep practicing, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye, everyone, and thank you for watching Mr. Learning English.